Hey, what's going on, you guys? So today we're taking a look at the Jordan 12 Indigos, or they're also called the Stone Blues. The Jordan brand has been releasing a lot of heat lately, and I think they know exactly what they're doing. So yeah, this comes shipped in a standard box with the Just Do It tape. Mine has been slightly destroyed due to shipping, but this is what happens when you ship things via horseback. With this unprecedented time, as what commercials like to call it, we're slowly regressing back to medieval era ways of doing things. And also thinking, ooh, peeking through, looking good. Yeah, I'm a huge fan of this box, guys. It's beautiful. What? Is that? Oh, whatever. So you guys feeling these at all? Did you pick up any pairs? So right now it looks like they're selling a little bit above retail. 20-30 bucks maybe, kind of like what the university golds are, but from what I know these are a little bit more limited, so I don't quite know why they're selling for that much. So when you first open up the box, you're gonna be greeted by this really nice blue card. Ooh, feels really nice card stock. On the back it's basically gonna talk about how indigo dyes have been used for like 6,000 years and no two pieces will be alike because when you wear them they'll be unique to how you wear them. Ooh. That's nice. That's so nice. Why do they have to be in my size? So yeah, I hit these on the sneakers app, and God, they're straight heat. So I'm a huge fan of the obsidians. These are a little bit lighter than obsidians, and I think the color blocking paper. I think the color blocking on these are really nice. It almost has like sheens of purple. Yeah, so if I decide that I don't want to keep these, I'll probably throw them up on my eBay. I'll throw a link down below, so if you guys want to buy this exact pair that I am reviewing or unboxing. I'm not reviewing these, I'm unboxing them, I'm not wearing them. Yeah, they'll be in the link below. I'll probably be close to retail, probably the lowest on eBay. I don't know. Either way, God, they might not even go on there. I don't know. They're so nice. Yeah, so taking a closer look, it looks like everything is really good. Stitching looks good. Ooh, the contrast of the two blues from the inner lining and the outer leather looks so good. I'm trying to show you the inside of that Jumpman, which is pretty standard on all 12s. Embroidery looked good for a minute there. Looking at the other side, yeah, you can kind of see how on the left side right there the ink was a little bit different. The dye was a little bit lighter. Leather feels good. I can't really tell if it's high quality or not. Can't really tell unless you cut it open, really. They don't feel any better than the 12s of the university 12s. 23 on the back, standard issue, nice pull tab, which I use religiously. Ooh, taking a look at the embroidery on that Jumpman, looking a little wonk there. Actually, I don't think I've ever gotten a 12 where I thought the embroidery of the Jumpman looked good. So yeah, so taking a closer look at the painted midsole here, it's not a 100% match to the upper. It's pretty close, but not quite. Maybe the upper will fade where that will match a little bit more, but I mean, it's close enough. I recently painted a pair of white heel mids, and they look. I had the same problem. Kind of close, but not quite. Okay, looking at this box, I love the top. I mentioned that. So on the side, we have nicely tracked letters, sans serif font in all caps. Looks good. Standard issue Air Jordan 12 retro sticker on the side with the suggested retail. On the side, more nicely tracked type, all caps. Yeah, the back here. I am a huge fan of how they just kind of laid this out. It looks so good to me. Backside, nothing really, nothing important, nothing cool. So yeah, that's basically the shoe. I feel like they could have done something different with the inside paper here. It's a little plain. I mean, it highlights the shoe. It's kind of cool, but It would have been nice to see like maybe some hints of that dye, or kind of like what they did at the top of the box. That'd be really nice. So yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure you leave a like down below, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'll probably release the Israel video here in probably a couple of days whenever it comes in. I think Yeezy Supply has it slated to come on Thursday. Yeah, probably Thursday. So yeah, I hope you like my first video ever. It probably won't be my last. Maybe it is my last. I don't know how the future works. I don't know me in the future. The world could change in a minute. I learned that already. Anyways, I'm rambling at this point, so yeah. Please leave a like, subscribe, follow for more. I don't know how to. Okay.